Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thanks for checking out the website. Today, we're going to go over a brand new 2020 Heritage Glen by Forest River. This is the 22 RBHL. We're going to start off on the interior and we'll finish off on the exterior. Follow me inside. Hey, wow, what a cool floor plan. This has been one of the hottest, most popular floor plans out there of recent. We've got a great layout here. We've got big doors in the bathroom and in the bedroom, so it's easy to get in and out. People that have mobility issues, it makes it easier for them as well. We've got a nice kitchen area here with lots of countertop, big sink, 3-burner stove here with the glass top. And we're using the Furrion system now, so we've got this cool oven too. Lots of storage above here. Room for plates. You take your plate out here and you can see fits up in the cabinets. Plenty of room. A lot of the competitors won't have enough room for that plate to fit in there, believe it or not. Good layout, as you can see on that nice comfy couch there. You're right across from the TV, and they use good components here. We've got a Jensen TV with a media player, and then we've got the Greystone electric fireplace, which people love that. If you're staying in a park, save your propane, you can heat with this. Here in the bathroom, one of the most functional bathrooms I have seen in a travel trailer. That doesn't matter to everybody, but it does to some people. And this has got the space in the countertop. You've got a good medicine cabinet. You've actually got 2 110 outlets and 2 USB outlets here. Got lots of hanging space, drawers, and then cabinetry across here. Good leg space around the toilet, makes it very easy to use, and then an enormous shower. Great for getting in and out. Anybody that has issues lifting their legs, it's a low step up. So, one last thing I want to cover here on the inside is this closet here, and there's your freestanding table down below, strapped in there. So we're going to go over the exterior. If you have any questions on the interior, feel free to give me a call. Come on, guys. Okay, so these guys are doing some pretty neat things on the outside too. They put a little latch here that you can use to tie your dog off to. Pretty neat idea. You've also got a mount for television, 110 power, and your cable access. These steps have probably been the most commented on new addition to all the trailers we carry. Just about everybody's using them, or some variation of them. They're very stable, very easy to use, and with this enormous grab handle, this is one of the best entries in trailers you'll find out there. I want to show you something around back they do that's really cool. They give you this nice rack on the back, so it's great for bicycles, firewood, coolers, chairs, all kinds of stuff. Really, really nice to have that. You've got your cable connection, satellite, black tank flush, city water. It's all right here in one place, so that is fantastic. Pre-wired for a backup camera. Here's your main termination valve right there, your gray and black. Your water heater. You do have manual stabilizers all the way around the trailer, so on all 4 corners. And then I want you to check out the enormous bay doors they use. So not everybody uses bay doors this big. Some of them are only yay big. This big, you can get large items like coolers, chairs, those kinds of things inside, protected. You've got an electric tongue jack and a front cap as well. Any sail that we make, we're going to fill the propane on that trailer. We're going to provide 2 batteries if it's got a slide. If it doesn't, we just provide 1. Any questions you might have on this RV or any others we have in stock, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Have a great day.